My name's Josh Moore. I am the owner of Hystar. We're a gaming accessory company, and we use GemPages to make our website. Hystar was started in March of 2022. We sell gaming products, gaming accessories. We mostly market through social media. We've just been growing every year, and we love our customers. We love gaming. In the past 2 years, we've grown our social media from 0 followers all the way up to 224,000. And we've all done this with no outside funding. We're all self-funded. So everything that we do is just us. So I think that's a big achievement. Shopify itself was very limiting when it comes to like customizing your website and fine-tuning different things. And the separation of different modules and different like row classes in your page makes it so much easier to customize things. And we tried 2 different page builders, but the other 2 just kind of lacked an easy way to customize everything, and GemPages was pretty easy. We were averaging like maybe 0.5% of conversions of customers converting on our website, and then after using GemPages, it jumped up to about 1.5%. So almost 200% increase. Just the ease of use, because the other ones, they could have some faulty glitches when you're making the page. They could not update properly, or there's a whole bunch of other things that could be wrong with it. And I like the preset templates GemPages has as well. So I can just click one and then just edit it the way I like. I like that. And I'd say the overall price to what you get from it is really good compared to the other ones. I like how it adapts to mobile and all the different views. And I think the overall look of it is very, oriented towards conversion. They did a lot of testing, and I think they look very well done. I would say the preset templates, like I said before, and then also the ability to add like animations too. I think that's really cool. I like the separation of all the pages, the collection page, the product page, the home page. I like how all that's separated nice. And I just like the overall interface. I like how simple it is. So it definitely helps to keep everything nice looking and on brand.